In the end, you realize it's just you. No one is coming to save you. Not because people don't care, but because no one else can fight the battles inside your head. No one else can sit in your silence, carry your memories, or heal the things you don't talk about. You spend years waiting for someone to finally understand you, for life to get easier, for the pain to pass. But nothing changes until you do. You're the one who has to stand up after the breakdown. You're the one who has to choose not to give up, even when no one's clapping, even when no one notices. And that's terrifying. But it's also freeing. Because if no one's coming to save you, then you get to stop waiting. You get to build yourself from the ground up, on your own terms. You are the hero. You are the rescue. You are the reason you survive.